Welcome to Morganable, where we serve you with authentic news, stories, documentaries, updates, and magazine-style insights on our society and the larger world, and more importantly, about places that fall under the radar of the mainstream media machinery. We invite you to embark on this exciting journey of enlightenment with us. Morganable, your vehicle of enlightenment.
Welcome to this comprehensive guide to professional excellence. In today's fast-paced work environment, the ability to shine and stand out is not just an advantage, it is a necessity. This presentation has been designed to share a series of accountable steps that will empower individuals to unlock their true potential in the workplace. Here, the focus is on transforming daily routines, attitudes, and approaches into a journey of personal and professional growth. Over the course of this presentation, each segment will reveal in-depth strategies, practical suggestions, and inspiring ideas that together create a roadmap for sustained success. Whether embarking on a new career path or seeking to elevate an established one, the insights shared here will serve as a catalyst for change, encouraging a shift towards greater productivity, improved collaboration, and a more dynamic professional life. Section 1. Laying the foundation, set clear goals. Begin by establishing a clear vision for your success. Setting clear and specific goals is more than simply writing down targets. It is about creating a detailed plan that transforms daily tasks into meaningful steps towards a larger vision. By clearly defining what needs to be achieved, it becomes easier to direct focus on the most important tasks. This process involves prioritizing objectives and establishing deadlines that serve as milestones along the journey to success. With a well-outlined plan, every task, meeting, and decision becomes aligned with a long-term vision, fostering a sense of purpose and direction that guides actions through the workday. Moreover, a carefully crafted plan encourages discipline and consistency. When the path forward is clearly illuminated, staying motivated, overcoming obstacles, and maintaining momentum becomes much more achievable. Recognize unique strengths. Understanding and embracing unique strengths is an essential step in carving out a niche in any professional environment. Each individual brings a distinct set of skills and qualities to the table, and recognizing these assets allows for a more effective alignment of personal abilities with the demand of the role, reflecting on past experiences and successes to identify the talents that set one apart from the crowd. Whether it is creativity, analytical thinking, empathy, or leadership, those strengths form the foundation upon which a successful career is built. When the strengths are acknowledged and applied intentionally, confidence grows and contributions become even more impactful, enriching the work environment and enhancing team performance. Develop a positive mindset. Cultivating a positive mindset is a transformative process that redefines the way challenges are perceived and managed. By adopting an optimistic outlook, obstacles become stepping stones rather than insurmountable barriers. This shift in perspective encourages a focus on solutions rather than problems, creating an environment where learning and innovation flourishes. Embracing the idea that every setback is an opportunity for growth and choosing to see potential in every situation enables a more resilient and proactive approach to work. Practicing gratitude, surrounding oneself with uplifting influences, and actively seeking out the positive in every challenge paves the way for both personal and professional development. Master time management. Mastering time management transforms the approach to work by ensuring that daily tasks are handled with focus on efficiency. Organizing the workday with digital calendars, detailed planners, or task management apps create a structured schedule that prioritizes important responsibilities while also allowing for creative and strategic planning. This organized framework reduces stress, minimizes distractions, and ensures that every moment is directed towards progress. The discipline of managing time effectively not only streamlines daily activities but also contributes to a smoother workflow and a greater sense of control over one's professional journey. Commit to continuous learning. A commitment to continuous learning is a cornerstone of ongoing professional growth. In a rapidly evolving world, staying curious and actively seeking out new knowledge ensures that skills remain sharp and perspectives broad. Embrace every opportunity to learn, from formal training sessions and workshops to informal learning through reading and discussions. This dedication to self-improvement not only expands one's expertise but also sparks a passion for innovation. The journey of learning is lifelong, and each new skill acquired contributes to the ability to adapt and thrive in any professional settings. Section 2. Build on a distinctive brand. Communicate effectively. Effective communication is the bridge that transforms ideas into action. Mastery of clear, articulate expression, both spoken and written, enables messages to be conveyed with conviction and clarity. This art of communication builds strong relationships, fosters mutual understanding, and inspires collaboration. It involves not only speaking clearly but also actively listening, ensuring that every interaction is meaningful and contributes to a collective vision. The power of communication lies in its ability to unite people and drive progress. Network with authenticity. Building a network founded on authenticity creates lasting, meaningful relationships. It involves engaging with colleagues, mentors, and industry peers in a genuine, heartfelt manner, free from pretense motives. Authentic networking is about cultivating trust and respect through sincere interactions. Such genuine relationships offer valuable guidance, support, and new opportunities, creating a vibrant professional community where ideas flow freely and every connection enriches the overall experience. Embracing constructive feedback transforms challenges into avenues for improvement. When feedback is viewed as a valuable resource rather than criticism, it paves the way for growth. Listening to insights from colleagues and mentors with an open mind allows for the refinement of skills and the development of new strategies. This process creates a supportive environment where continuous improvement is not just encountered, it becomes a shared pursuit. Each piece of constructive feedback is a stepping stone towards a more proficient and confident professional self. Encouraging innovative thinking. Fostering innovative thinking is about creating a space where creativity flourishes. Encourage the exploration of new ideas and fresh perspectives that challenge the status quo. By nurturing an environment where experimentation is welcomed, everyday challenges become opportunities for breakthrough solutions. This culture of innovation stimulates creative problem solving and inspires each time member to think outside the box, resulting in dynamic, forward-thinking strategies that drive progress. Be proactive. Taking a proactive stance means seizing opportunities before they fully materialize. It involves anticipating challenges, initiating projects, and addressing issues promptly. This active approach transforms potential obstacles into catalysts for progress. Being proactive fosters a culture of initiative where individuals are empowered to drive change and make impactful decisions. It is the spark that turns potential into reality, ensuring that every step taken leads to meaningful achievement. Develop a personal brand. Crafting a personal brand is the process of establishing a unique and consistent professional identity. It involves articulating core values, showcasing distinctive skills, and presenting oneself in a manner that resonates with authenticity. A strong personal brand leaves a memorable impression, differentiating one from peers and opening doors to new opportunities. This ongoing process of self-expression builds credibility, fosters trust, and creates a lasting impact within any professional landscape. Section 3. Maximizing professional impacts. Delivering consistent high-quality work is the hallmark of professionalism. When excellence becomes a habitual standard, it builds trust and reinforces a reputation of reliability. Every completed project, every task done with care, contributes to an enduring legacy of success. This steady commitment not only fuels individual growth but also inspires confidence in colleagues and supervisors alike, paving the way for future opportunities. Own successes and learn from failures. Embracing both success and setbacks is a vital part of the journey to professional growth. Celebrating achievements reinforces the value of hard work, while reflecting on challenges provides invaluable lessons for improvement. Each experience, whether triumphant or difficult, contributes to a deeper understanding of one's capabilities and areas of growth. This balanced perspective builds resilience and creates a roadmap for continuous progress. Foster a collaborative team spirit. A thriving work environment is built on the foundation of collaboration. When individuals join forces, sharing ideas, supporting one another, and pooling their unique strengths, the result is a powerful synergy that elevates every project. A spirit of teamwork transforms isolated efforts into collective achievements, creating a culture where each contribution is valued and every success is shared. This collaborative approach not only enhances productivity but also builds a community of trust and mutual respect. Enhance problem-solving abilities. Developing strong problem-solving skills is essential for turning challenges into opportunities. Approaching issues with a thoughtful, systematic mindset allows complex problems to be broken down into manageable parts, leading to creative and effective solutions. This refined ability to address obstacles head-on builds confidence and drives projects forward. Every problem encountered becomes a chance to innovate, learn, and further enhance one's professional toolkit. Every problem encountered becomes a chance to innovate, learn, and further enhance one's professional toolkit. Stay informed on industry trends. Keeping up with industry trends is key to remaining relevant and competitive. Actively exploring new ideas, technologies, and approaches ensures that strategies stay fresh and responsive to changing conditions. This continual engagement with the latest developments not only enriches professional insights but also paves the way for innovative thinking. By staying informed, every professional can adapt more seamlessly to emerging challenges and opportunities. Prioritize self-care and work-life balance. A sustainable professional journey is built on the foundation of professional well-being. Prioritizing self-care and maintaining a healthy balance between work and life are crucial for long-term success. Taking time to rest, recharge, and pursue personal interests not only enhances overall health but also boosts creativity and focus at work. When well-being is nurtured, energy is renewed and the capacity to tackle challenges is greatly enhanced, leading to a more satisfying and enduring career. Section 4. Leading and Innovating. Demonstrates initiative in leadership. Leadership transcends formal titles. It is defined by the ability to inspire and guide others. Through action, demonstrating initiative means stepping forward to lead projects, offering innovative ideas, and mentoring peers. This proactive approach sets a positive example and creates an environment where everyone is encouraged to contribute their best. Leadership through initiative fosters a culture of excellence and empowers teams to achieve extraordinary results. Remain adaptable and flexible. In an ever-changing work environment, adaptability is a key strength. Embracing change and remaining flexible in approach enables swift adjustments to emerging challenges. This open-mindedness not only keeps processes efficient but also enriches professional practice by welcoming new ideas and perspectives. Flexibility ensures that strategies evolve continuously, keeping the work dynamic and responsive to shifting landscape. Cultivate emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the skill of understanding and managing emotions, both personal and those of others. Cultivating this quality fosters clear communication, resolves conflict with empathy, and build strong, supportive relationships. By developing emotional awareness, every interaction is enriched, leading to a more harmonious work environment where every individual feels valued. Emotional intelligence transforms everyday interactions into opportunities for deeper connection and mutual respect. Build a culture of innovation. Creating a culture that champions innovation means fostering an environment where new ideas are celebrated. Encouraging creative thinking and open dialogue leads to breakthrough solutions and continuous improvement. In such a culture, every idea is valued and each suggestion is a potential spark for progress. This innovative spirit inspires teams to push boundaries and explore in uncharted territories, making the workplace a vibrant hub of forward-thinking energy. Celebrate achievements. Recognizing and celebrating achievements is vital for sustaining motivation and a positive work atmosphere. Taking time to honor every success, whether it is a major milestone or a small victory, reinforces the value of hard work and dedication. Celebrations foster an environment of appreciation and continuous encouragement, where every accomplishment is acknowledged as a stepping stone to further success. The journey through these powerful steps offers a clear roadmap for transforming everyday challenges into opportunities for growth and success. Each strategy, from setting clear goals and harnessing unique strengths to leading with initiative and fostering a culture of innovation, has been designed to build a strong foundation for lasting excellence in the workplace. As this presentation concludes, take a moment to reflect on the suggestions shared here. Integrate these insights into your daily practices and observe how even small changes can lead to transformative outcomes. The path to professional excellence is built one step at a time, and every effort contributes to a brighter, more dynamic future. Call to action. Engage with these insights, share your experiences, and continue to explore ways to enhance your professional journey. Subscribe for more inspirational content, more enlightenment, more news updates, and join a community dedicated to excellence in your work. The journey toward thrilling, impactful future begins now.
Thanks for watching us today and for joining us on our journey of enlightenment. Morganable, your vehicle of enlightenment.